All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So, yesterday was quite an interesting day for Pepe, and today is also an interesting day the way it's currently holding. So, we're going to take a closer look at it, see what we're looking at, and of course, what we could be expecting going further into, Monday, a brand new week. I'm expecting some excitement this upcoming week. But yeah, if you're looking at Sunday, we are seeing the broader market seeing a little bit of a retracement. Remember, CME futures are closed. We cannot be forgetting that fact. But Pepe is up 2.4% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 26.3. Still about 4 zeros in front of the price, up 2% in USD, 1.2% in Bitcoin, and about 1.6% in Ethereum comparative over the course of the last 24 hours. Now, market cap is at $11 billion. Amazing to see. And the 24-hour trading volume is still quite high, currently sitting at $7.5 billion. Yes, you've heard that correct. If we're looking at the holder count, almost 348,000 holders, which is, of course, really nice to see as well. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, let's take a look at the broader meme coin market. So if you're looking at the top 10 coins, except MOG and Pepe, as well as Dogecoin, everything else seems to be down right now. But Pepe's momentum speaks for itself. $7.5 billion in terms of the last 24-hour trading volume. And now it's looking, more likely than ever that, hold on, Pepe could actually take over Shiba Inu's spot. And I do believe, sometime in the near future, we will see that flipping happening. Not a lot of people are thinking, but even people from the Shiba Inu community. And again, obviously time is going to tell, right? But so far, we cannot be ignoring, the momentum that we're noticing with Pepe. Take a look at the last 12 months, right? Take a look at how far Pepe has come over the last 12 months. And, in terms of liquidity is not an issue. Big exchanges, big, massive exchanges have listed Pepe. And the narrative itself, it's something new. We're seeing a frog coin, something new. We're not just seeing those good old dog coins that dominated the last cycle. We're seeing something new. And remember, the derivatives that launched from Pepe tells you how massive this community is in terms of meme. At the end of the day, this is a meme, and this meme is pretty much everywhere on crypto Twitter, and that is something that I look at as well. So far, amazing to see. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price. So dominance has not changed, still sitting at 55.23%, which is a really good sign for us. If you're looking at Bitcoin though, back at $100,000, amazing. It's today's Sunday, but Bitcoin has been ranging around the 100,000. 99,000, 100,000, 99,000. Pretty much, kind of trading sideways around that level. Pretty stagnant, for the price of Bitcoin. But, dominance is not budging. Dominance is continuing to fall, which is a really good sign for altcoins. And again, you don't really need a reminder at this point. If you look at it on the weekly time frame, if you look at it on the monthly time frame, everything makes sense. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe's price right now. So looking at the Pepe's price, it's pretty much at the neckline of the new all-time high. So, it's holding really, really good. And let's actually take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really understand what we're noticing. So, of course, yesterday was our new all-time high, which was around the 26.77 zone. We had a little bit of a retest. Again, if you want to put this retest into perspective, about an 8.9% retest. And, we kind of went down to the likes of, the 24.38 zone, which, again, we do have some support around. But look at the, recovery. This is what I want you guys to be focusing on, how fast it has bounced back up. So you could see if you bought at the dip yesterday, or you dollar cost average in around here, Pepe is up about 10%, and that's not the most exciting part. We're pretty much on the neckline. We actually did hit a new all-time high just a few hours ago, but we're at the neckline of the previous all-time high, which was just about 24 hours back. If the daily candle closes today here, I'm anticipating more upside. So in terms of upside, I think there's definitely more upside. We're pretty much close to price discovery mode. The trading volume is increasing, which is also a really good thing. So, Pepe, I think, is about to show us some nice moves. And, last cycle, and I will continue to say this, last cycle, Shiba Inu was able to pull, insane market valuation. I think it was $40 to $50 billion, if I'm not mistaken. So This time around, you're seeing more money coming into crypto space. Last time there was more, people skeptical about crypto, not really wanting to get exposure into crypto. But this time around, a lot of people that only focus on stocks are actually, wanting exposure into the crypto industry. And I think this could, and especially now that institutions are focusing on it as well, maybe meme coins are something that, they start accumulating as well. That wouldn't come as a surprise. Not like small meme coins, the big boys. So again, if that is an announcement that comes out, I think that's even a bigger plus point for the likes of some of these big boys. But I'm really, really liking what Pepe is doing right now. In the next few hours, like I said, if it's able to close its daily candle where it currently is, above the 2600 zone, I think we could see more upside this upcoming week for Pepe, which will be, of course, really nice to see for, the Pepe community. And again, just a quick reminder for any haters that are going to come out and say, oh, Pepe this, Pepe that. From November 4th, Pepe is up 241%. That is insane, right? But yeah, I'm really liking what I'm seeing right now. One step at a time, of course, have patience, lock those profits in when you see price discovery mode, when you see those explosive moves, lock those profits in. Don't wait for the price to dip before you lock in profits. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. And also let me know if you want to see other meme coins that you want me to cover. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.